What's the stock market outlook for 2023? I'm looking at the 1,000% winners in the last 3 months, companies like Cabaletta Bio, but I think those are exceptions to the rule. And let's just have a look at what's happened over the last 3 months to see what the momentum and direction might be for the next year. And healthcare companies are coming up a fair bit. There is G Medical Innovations, it's up 1,000% as well over the last 3 months. And I'll mention a few other names. The problem with this is their cash flows stink with most of these healthcare companies that I'm looking at, which have gone up, even the ones which have only gone up 200% over the last 3 months, like ProQR Therapeutics, Immunovant, PDS Biotechnology, BioVi. The cash flow, they're burning a lot of cash basically, and they don't have any valuation to speak of. In other words, they're loss making. And you might say, well, wait a minute. Are you telling me the companies that are doing the best are showing massive losses? Yes. Are showing a very large hole in their cash flow? Yes. But have got big momentum. And so that's going to put it into the high risk area. I'll give you some other names as well, which fall all into this category. Summit Therapeutics, Acer Therapeutics, BioArctic, they're all up 200% or more over the last 3 months, but they're loss making and they are burning cash. Well, what else is coming up then, which doesn't quite fit into that profile in that case? Which isn't burning so much cash, but is doing incredibly well. Well, over the last 3 months, very little, I'm afraid, even on the consumer discretionaries, which are up again 200%. Home24, Swedish company, I believe, so we could probably ignore that one. Tunui, so Tuniu, Tuni, flipping useless name. Let's go to Merrimack Pharmaceuticals. All of these burning cash, making losses, but they're the ones who are performing the best in the short term. So I'm not really going to say, well, I'll put my money on healthcare for 2023 based on just that, because they're the ones who could get hit. The other thing which has come up, interestingly, is telecoms, telecommunications company. Clear One up 170% over the last 3 months. Maxar Technologies up 168% as well. Well, do they generate cash? And here, yes, in the case of Maxar, telecoms company, you do get a company which is profitable and is cash flow positive as well. So that's, but you're looking at telecoms there, and you have to look way down to get to financials. 156% from BSF Enterprises, British company, over there. So I'll follow up on this and see if there's anything which is interesting which comes up from these for next year. But at the moment, I don't like the risk levels.